Hi and welcome. This is a demonstration of the audit management system developed by AST Support System. A powerful platform designed to streamline internal audits, ensure compliance, and improve overall quality control. Let's walk you through the key modules of this system. Let's begin with the dashboard. The dashboard offers a real-time summary of all audit activities. Total number of audits conducted and completed. Number of non-conformances, NCs, raised. Number of improvement points. A department-wise summary showing which departments have the most NCs and improvement points. You'll also see live visualizations such as pie charts for NCs and improvement trends. Key metrics like created date, target closure date, and actual closure date. This module is instrumental in planning and tracking audits across multiple quality systems like ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. Next, we move to the audit planning page. Each audit plan is assigned an auto-generated reference number. You can fill in fields such as audit plan date, plant location, audit manager, selected quality system, example IATF 16949, city. While assigning auditors, the system ensures auditors are certified internal auditors. Auditors are not auditing their own departments. You can define the auditor's certification start and expiry date. A verification list is generated for each audit, which includes procedure numbers, format numbers, observation points. This checklist helps ensure all relevant processes are evaluated during the audit. Once the audit is scheduled, assigned auditors appear under the Audit Action section. Auditors can view previous audit observations. Audit details are auto-fetched based on auditee and department selection. Clauses and checkpoints are displayed via toggles. Auditors can review against standard procedures and attach evidence and images. Once completed, the audit is sent for approval. Auditors can mark strong points, improvement points, non-conformities, NCs. Manager or the head of the department will approve the final audit. NCs and improvement points stage-wise closure. After the audit, all NCs and improvement points follow a stage-wise closure process. Each entry includes description, assigned responsible department or person, stage-wise approval and verification until closure. This structured system ensures issues are properly tracked, acted upon, and closed with full traceability. Beyond basic ERP integration, this system provides dynamic verification lists for each audit type, auto-fetching audit history, role-based access control, auto-reminders for pending approvals, audit evidence management, photos, docs, real-time dashboards and Excel export reports. These features give your QA teams complete control and real-time visibility into compliance activities. This audit management system delivers end-to-end audit lifecycle management, automated auditor assignment and verification, strong integration with quality standards, ISO, IATF, full traceability of NCs and improvement actions, dashboard-based tracking and reporting, robust approval workflows and role-based security. It's your all-in-one tool for streamlining audits and driving continual improvement. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To explore more or to request a live demo, please feel free to get in touch with us.